What is the place value of digit 1 in 0.001? A. 1000. B. 100. C. 1 over 1000. D. 1 over 100. E. 1 over 10. Solution. Write 0.001 in standard form. 0.001 is equal to 1 times 10 to power minus 3. Which is equals 1 over 10 cubed. Equals 1 over 10 times 1 over 10 times 1 over 10. Equals 1 over 1000. Therefore, the place value of digit 1 in 0.001 is 1 over 1000. The correct answer is C. A vehicle tank was 3 over 5 full of petrol. When 21 liters of fuel was added, it was 5 over 6 full. How many liters of petrol can the tank hold? Solution. Let H be the unknown. 3 over 5 of H, plus 21, equals 5 over 6 of H. Subtract 3 over 5 of H, from both sides. 21 is equal to 5 over 6 of H, minus 3 over 5 of H. Equals 7 over 30 of H. Multiply both sides by 30. 7H is equal to 21 times 30, equals 630. Divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 630 divided by 7 is 90. Then, H equals 90. Therefore the vehicle tank can hold 90 liters of petrol. The correct answer is B. Mr. B arrived at the railway station at 11:45 a.m. By this time, he was 35 minutes too early for his train. At what time was the train due to leave? A. 1:20 p.m. B. 12:20 p.m. C. 11:35 a.m. D. 11:10 a.m. E. 10:10 a.m. Solution. If Mr. B arrived at 11:45 a.m. and was 35 minutes earlier, in 15 minutes the time will be 12 p.m. In extra 20 minutes the time will be 12:20 p.m. Therefore the train is due to leave at 12:20 p.m. The correct answer is B.